guys, it's me again, Ms. Marlene A. Greenew, and today's tutorial, what we're going to do is we will do sum of the roots of quadratic equations. So we have here one formula that we're going to use in finding sum of the roots, and the formula of the sum of the roots is negative b over c. And I will explain on how it is important to know on how to define the sum of the roots. So without further ado, let's start doing this topic. So basically, I have here a question. What is the sum of the roots of x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0? So I will explain why we use or what are the importance of this formula. It says here the sum of the roots. Before we get the sum of the roots, we need to solve and get the value or a variable or the value of x, because those are the roots of quadratic equations. And I will explain further why we use this formula. So let's say for example, x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. For you to find the sum of the roots, kailangan muna natin ma-solve ang quadratic equations. So basically, you will go with factoring. So if you're going to factor out the situations you have here, x minus 3 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. Those are the factors in solving the formula of x. You have here x minus 3 is equal to 0, and the other side, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So after this, for you to solve the x is equal to 3. We move the negative 3 here in the other side, and it will become a positive. In the other side, x is equal to positive 2. Same as the example number 1. We move the negative 2 in the other side, it will become a positive. These are the roots of quadratic equations. So we have here two quadratic equations or two roots of the quadratic equations. If we say sum, we need to add the 3 and 2. If we're going to find the sum of the roots, we need to add the two roots of the quadratic equations. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So meaning, the sum is equal to 5. So this is our sum of the roots. Our sum of the roots here is positive 5. So that's all.